Good Monday afternoon, everybody. I'm Peter Grant from Zaner Metals with a special report on the precious metals. With me, my colleague from the Chicago office, Peter Thomas. Good
Hello.
afternoon, Pete.
Hey, everyone. We just wanted to give you a flash overview here. This is probably some of the craziest markets we've seen in a while. We're getting a lot of calls, so we thought we'd give you a quick update. I just left the WHO special. They had a quick webinar for people. I'm just going to give you the flash numbers here. Right now, they're saying they've confirmed the morbidity rate is 2 to 4%. Also, they only had 1,000 more cases in China, which definitely reflects a little bit of a slowdown in Asia. The general weekly overview is 2 weeks from beginning to end for the disease, and there has been no changes, no mutations in the disease. So there's your current update from the people that know.
Right. And so one of the things I think that's hit the market particularly hard, so stocks are down dramatically, commodities in general across the board with the exception of the precious metals under pressure. And it was the jumping cases in Italy. So there's some growing concern that the coronavirus has gotten a toehold on the European continent. And so that's, I think, what's primarily hitting the markets and giving the precious metals a boost.
Yeah, I agree. But realistically, we're seeing that, and also I think it's just a matter of it's an impact of what's happening and has been happening. For example, let's take a quick look at copper. People that follow us on our weekly wrap up on Friday, I said, hey, copper looks soft. I would expect it to be lower. And they slam dunked it today hard off of what was going on in the stock market as well. And we saw it 300, 400, 500 lower, and it was not unexpected.
Yeah, and so platinum and palladium are under pressure today as well. But let's focus on the gold and silver here.
Absolutely.
So gold's at a new 7-year high, levels we haven't seen since January 2013. At one point today, it was up nearly 3%, trading at 1689.35. I mentioned on Friday 17 is my
Right.
short-term objective, but I also like 1733.58, which is another Fibonacci retracement level.
Okay.
And then beyond that, there's not too much until those all-time highs around 1911.
Well, Fibonacci numbers, it's been following right along, so I think that's a good reference.
Yeah. With regard to silver, we buzzed right by it on Friday when we talked, but let's touch on it because we took out the January high, so we're at new highs for the year in silver.
Right.
We've been as high as 1895 today. That 78.6% retracement level is 1898. That's off the September high from last year. Which was 1965. So, I think if we move, above 19, we start trading with a 19 handle again,
right.
There's not much resistance until that September high at 1965.
I agree with you. I think that, you were actually a very strong bull on it. You've been proven right. Technically, $19 is a big psychological number. If we see that, it's off to the races again. We're up 2.25% today. So silver finally woke up and traded like a commodity, and a quick peek at the other
trading more
metals.
like a safe haven today. I think more so than a commodity.
I like that. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah, I think that's well put. I think that the real industrial metals, platinum, palladium, and rhodium, have all been hit hard, and I think that reflects on exactly what you just said, Pete.
Yeah. With that, we'll wrap it up and we'll try and get this out. We will try and do these quick updates as market conditions warrant. In order to get those, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a like. As well. So thank you for tuning in. I'm Peter Grant from Zaner Metals in the Denver office.
And Pete Thomas in Chicago. Thank you. Have a good week.